Welcome to Beautyistic, where we talk beauty in a way that's real and relatable. If you've been on the hunt for a mascara that delivers both volume and length without the hassle of flaking or smudging, then you're in the right place. Let's take a closer look at Maybelline's Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara, available in both washable and waterproof formulas. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss a beauty review like this. Now, Maybelline has been in the game for a while, but what's really special about the Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara? First off, this mascara is all about giving you those long, full lashes without weighing them down. The formula is infused with boo extract and fibers, designed to keep your lashes lightweight but still super voluminous. Whether you're going for a bold look or just need something subtle for everyday wear, this mascara has got your lashes covered. Let's talk about the brush. It's not just any brush. The Flex Tower Mascara Wand is designed to bend, which allows it to extend and separate each lash from root to tip. This bending feature is a game changer because it ensures that every single lash is coated evenly, giving you that sky-high length and volume. And for those of you with sensitive eyes or who wear contact lenses, you'll be happy to know that this mascara is ophthalmologist and allergy tested. It's also suitable for contact lens wearers, so no irritation here. In terms of texture, the formula is smooth and easy to apply without clumping, and it gives your lashes that feathery look without any heaviness. Both the washable and waterproof versions hold up well throughout the day, making them great choices for both casual and long-wear use. Now, onto how it performs in real-life testing. I wore this mascara through a day of work, running errands, and even a few outdoor activities. And I have to say, it really does hold up. No smudging or flaking, even in the heat. The washable version was easy to remove at the end of the day with my regular makeup remover. But for those looking for something a little more resilient, the waterproof version is perfect for a night out or a long day. Pros? Well, this mascara offers great length and volume without being too heavy, and the Flex Tower wand makes it easy to get to those hard-to-reach lashes in the inner corners of your eyes. Plus, it doesn't flake, which is a huge win in the mascara world. Cons? If I had to nitpick, the waterproof version is a bit trickier to remove, so make sure you've got a good makeup remover on hand for that one. Also, while it gives a dramatic effect, it may not be the best choice if you're going for a supernatural look. So, is this mascara worth the price? In my opinion, yes. Considering the formula's performance, the unique brush, and the lasting power, it offers great value for money. I'd say it's a solid option for anyone who wants a reliable mascara that delivers both volume and length. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get your hands on it, the link is in the comments. Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara stands out in a crowded market of volumizing mascaras. It compares well to similar products in the same price range, and I'd say it does a better job at separating and lengthening lashes compared to some of its competitors. If you're a fan of dramatic lashes without clumps, it's definitely worth trying. As for alternatives, if you're looking for something at a lower price point, you might want to check out L'Oreal's Voluminous Lash Paradise. It's another great option for length and volume, and might suit a more budget-conscious shopper. In conclusion, Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara delivers exactly what it promises: volumizing, lengthening, and defining lashes with a formula that lasts all day. I highly recommend this for anyone who loves a good dramatic lash look, whether you go for the washable or waterproof formula. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.